hope everybody's having an awesome Monday. We are out here. We're over in Oviedo. We're going to be working on this full rescreen today. It's a nice project, a good before and after video that we're going to take here. The pool deck is really, pretty much black. The pool hasn't been cleaned in a long time. This was a foreclosed house. So, we're getting this thing back up tip-top shape. We're going to be doing, the 1814 Pfeiffer mesh screen around on the sides here, and then we're going to be putting the 2020 Pfeiffer screen on the top panels, so it's nice and protected up top from the pine needles falling. The 2020 mesh helps keep the pine needles from sticking through the screen, so we use that on top when we're around pine trees typically. But there's a lot of work that needs to go on here today. This thing is in rough shape. It's got duct tape holding the screens in. It's got Tapcons that are busted out. The doors are in rough shape. So we're gonna restore this thing and get this thing back up and going in nice shape for this great client of ours. And I'm going to show you some detailed videos of the process here as we go along, as we go throughout this process on this journey. And hope you guys enjoy this video, because we enjoy making these videos for you. So take a minute and check out this video, and check out some of the other videos we have too on our channel. And if you need some services like what we offer, just reach out to us. www.macscreens.online, and you could get a free quote, and we can set you up to get you taken care of. So hope you all are having a fantastic day. I know we will. And just pay attention to this awesome video. Hope you all like it. As you can see here, how nasty the metal looks. It's pretty stained. As you can see here, the pool deck is really in rough shape. As you can see here, the anchors are snapped off. So we're going to be replacing all the anchors along the bottom. They're pretty rusted. I'm going to put Nylotex in there. So as you can see here, the door has a kick plate kicked out of it, and the handle and everything's just in rough shape. So we got 2 new doors for this. We're gonna put them in. We got new hinges and everything. Alright, so we got the screens out here. And along the back. So we had to drill the hole out a little bit bigger for the sleeve to fit in there. I'm gonna pressure wash all this out. It's pretty bad. Duct tape is the worst enemy for a pool enclosure. Sticks to the aluminum and then it leaves a residue and you can never get it off. So we did this side here, pressure washed it. Made a huge difference. All right, so here's what it looks like after we pressure washed everything. All right, so we're all finished up over here. Job turned out real nice. Looks brand new. Got the new Tapcons, Protect Tapcons in the bottom, all the way around to tighten it down. Got the 2020 mesh Pfeiffer screen on top, help keep the pine needles out. And you got the regular 1814 mesh going across around the sides. We tightened down all the cables so everything's snug. Checked all the screws, make sure any missing or broken screws, we replaced them. And of course we put new doors on with new door hardware. What a huge difference. Pressure washing this enclosure is totally different looking now. As you can see, the deck was totally black before, and huge difference on the color of the deck. Still definitely needs to be painted, but looks tremendously better. Putting the new doors in really sets it off, really makes it look nice. Definitely when you walk in and out of the door, you want it to be like working properly and, you know, looks good and everything when put fresh new door in there. All right, so that's it here in Oviedo with this full rescreen, pressure cleaning and everything. I hope you all enjoy this video, and please subscribe to our channel. We need more subscribers, and if you have any video ideas that you'd like us to do that has to pertain to the aluminum industry, please let us know. Comment below, and we'll put out a new video talking about, you know, exactly what you guys want. If you want a tutorial about how to install a screen, we could do that. Just any little thing that needs to be taken care of and you want to know how to do it, please let us know and we'll put together a video for you. So thanks again. I hope you really enjoy this one. This was a nice project. It turned out looking awesome at the end, and we're moving on to the next rescreen. So take care, and thanks for watching.